Hi, I'm Laura from Goody Foodie Gardens and it's St Patrick's Day 2021, 17th of March. So today I'm going to show you what to do with your seed potatoes and how to plant them. So the first thing we're going to have is this is our seed potato, and the type we've used this year is Arran Pilot, and this is what they look like. The other things you'll need from your seed potato is a grow sack, and we use these large fabric growing sacks, lets it breathe a bit, and a big bag of compost, good quality compost. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put our potato seeds into, well, I've used egg boxes, but you could use something else, and stick them on the window ledge for 2 weeks. This variety is called First Earlies, so we get these in the ground by the end of March, so make sure that you've got them in egg boxes for a couple of weeks mid-March, and this is what they'll end up looking like, these little sprouts, and this is what's eventually going to become your actual plant. So I've added some soil to the bottom of this grow bag. I've added about this much, about 15 centimetres. It has to be deep enough for the potatoes to be completely covered. And I'm going to top it, put some fertiliser in it. I've got this liquid seaweed, and you dilute that and pour it onto the soil, and it will just give it some fertiliser. So we're going to put the potatoes in so that they're completely covered, and these little eyes, we want them pointing up the way. So we're just going to flick off any that are underneath and then bury them and just cover them so that they're just the top of the potato is sticking out the soil. Okay, we're going to leave these now in a sheltered spot so that the frost won't get them, because it is only mid-March, and every time we see them growing up and they become little bushes, we're going to cover them up again with soil, and then continue to do that 3 or 4 times until your soil's near the top, and then they'll just grow into a thick bush. And when the flowers come and then die back, that's when you know the potatoes are ready, and these First Earlies will be ready in about 12 weeks. So that's how to grow your potato seeds for 2021. Do it this year and I guarantee you'll do it every single year after this.